So, it's my last video of 2019, and today I thought it would be fun to tell you exactly how much money I made this year. And let me tell you, this is the most money I have ever made in my entire life. 2019 was kind of a funny year for me since I started the year running a completely different company than I do now. People don't realize this, but I fail in business a lot. I have had so many businesses fail throughout 2019, but the only thing that differentiates me from a lot of other people out there is I don't let those failures stop me from wanting to be my own boss. In January of 2019, I had 3 sources of income, and that includes iPhone reselling, affiliate marketing through this YouTube channel, and a social media marketing business. And guys, in total, I made $1,715 in January of 2019. I made $920 with iPhone reselling, and I also made about $745.50 with my social media marketing business. February marked my first failed business of many in 2019. I lost both of the clients I had for my social media marketing business because my partner in that business quit, and he was the one providing the marketing services to the clients, and I had no idea how to run Facebook ads. When I tried to provide the marketing services to the clients myself, I completely failed and I was left looking like a total moron. Nonetheless, in February, I ended up making about $1,575. The month went surprisingly well, even though I only had 2 streams of income throughout that month. I made approximately $1,650 from phone flipping, which is absolutely insane. I took phone flipping extremely serious in the beginning of 2019 because YouTube at the time was just a hobby. I didn't even have 1,000 subscribers on my channel. My YouTube business ended up losing around $75 in the month of February because I spent some money on ads to grow my channel. At this time, I really wanted to turn YouTube into a major source of income for me, but I still had an extremely small channel, and I knew it would be a while before I saw a return on the amount of time I was putting into making videos. In March of 2019, I finally hit 1,000 subscribers on my YouTube channel, and I started spending hours every single day producing content for my channel. I took YouTube extremely serious despite not being monetized on my channel yet because I hadn't hit the 4,000 hour requirement. In total, I made just about 945 big ones in the month of March. $45 of that came from my YouTube channel, and the other $900 came from my iPhone reselling business. April of 2019 was the month I started Shopify dropshipping, eBay dropshipping, and I even started my own vending machine business. All of these businesses eventually failed, with Shopify dropshipping and eBay dropshipping failing almost immediately. With my vending machine business, I still have one location that earns between $3 and $5 every single month. I made only $309 in April because I pretty much gave up on the phone flipping business, and I was in the process of starting a ton of different businesses at once, which I now know you should never do. May was another boring month. I made only $756 from eBay dropshipping, mowing lawns, and my vending machine business. And now during the summer of 2019 was when I really dedicated myself to making YouTube my full-time income. I had tried and failed so many different businesses throughout 2019, but the one thing I stuck with was my YouTube channel. So I started making videos in the summer of 2019 that eventually went semi-viral, such as selling candy in front of the movie theater or I bought phones in front of the Eco ATM. I also started up again with my phone flipping business during the summer because I wanted something to make me money while I was trying to make YouTube my full-time income. In total, I made $2,750 in the summer of 2019, with phone flipping being my biggest source of income and YouTube ad revenue being my smallest. In fact, I only made about $8.97 the entire summer of 2019 from YouTube ad revenue. When September came around, I had almost 2,000 subscribers on YouTube, and my channel was starting to gain some momentum. In the month of September, I earned $106 from YouTube ad revenue and $550 from phone flipping. By October of 2019, I was pretty much dead set on making YouTube my full-time business. And in that month, I made the now viral video with over 500,000 views. I sold candy at school for 1 week. And in the month of October, I earned a whopping $196 from YouTube ad revenue, which is more than twice the previous month. And I also earned like $454 from phone flipping. In November of 2019, I made a whopping $3,200 because my selling candy at school videos went viral, and I clocked in about 600,000 views on YouTube in the month of November. And guys, in total, I made $2,800 from YouTube ad revenue and also about $400 from phone flipping. Finally, in December of 2019, I've pretty much gone all in on my YouTube channel, and it's been working. This month so far, I have made nearly $3,500 from YouTube ad revenue alone. In total, I made $16,046.09 in 2019. That is definitely the most money I have ever made. That is more than you make working minimum wage at McDonald's for an entire year, and especially for a teenager, 16 bands is not too shabby. Going into 2020, I want to continue grinding on this YouTube channel, and I also want to turn this new business I am working on into a substantial amount of income. I recently started a new business that I am documenting on this YouTube channel where I am growing an Instagram page, and I eventually plan to monetize the page by both selling shoutouts and also selling my own products on the page. The page currently has about 2,000 followers, and I plan to grow it to over 100,000 followers in 2019. 2020 is going to be an unbelievable year for me. I can feel it. I'm going into this next year with a goal to make $100,000 in income, and I also want to hit 100,000 subscribers on YouTube.